We'll guide you through how to integrate Calendly with LinkedIn. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the integrations section, which you can find in the top menu under the integrations tab. Look for the LinkedIn integrations and click on it. You'll see an option to connect your LinkedIn account with Calendly. Click on the connect button. A new window will appear asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize the connection. Once connected, you need to adjust your settings. Go back to the Calendly dashboard, and under the LinkedIn integration settings, you can choose how you want to share your Calendly link. On LinkedIn, you might want to add it to your LinkedIn profile as a custom button or share it in your posts or messages. To add a Calendly link to your LinkedIn profile, go to your LinkedIn profile page. Click on the Add Profile section button, then select Featured and Links. Paste your Calendly link here and give it a title and description if you wish this way. Visitors to your profile can easily schedule a meeting with you. Remember to save your changes. You can also share your Calendly link directly in posts or messages by copying the link from your Calendly account and pasting it into your LinkedIn posts or messages. This integration is a great way to streamline scheduling and make it easier for your LinkedIn connections to book time with you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.